Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades with the morning trade recap, ending the day up about, I don't know, 80 something, $86, maybe a little bit less once you factor in those commissions, but pretty good continuation. I got a little bit green yesterday playing it way too safe on PSRU, and so today, today I still played it super safe. Most of my profits coming from PSRU on the dip buy, getting in just around here in the 1 cent range off of the, the thing we always expect. It's if it doesn't gap, people sell and they take profits. They kind of panic a little bit. I didn't get the low of this at 94. I was hoping that 1 cent would hold when it pierced through. I was like, okay, waited for it to recover 1 cent and for the level 2 to kind of stack before actually taking my entry. We're gonna refresh this here. Here we go. So real quick, 1 minute scalp, getting in at 1025, so right around here-ish, right? And then selling at 1085, which is actually right about the top of this candle here. So pretty good for me. Easy 60 bucks there, and then another trade. I was a little bit late, so I grabbed a piece of LCLP and sold at 464. I wasn't gonna wait for the test of this line just because they don't always touch it exactly, and I'm on the third green candle in 1 minute setup. I was hoping this was gonna become a 5 minute setup, but then it had this nasty pull right here into this, into our line actually, and it looks like now it's trying to get itself back together, but hey, play it safe, and that's it. So I'm walking away this morning. I still have some ammo for the afternoon if something shows up, but I'm gonna stay disciplined. We'll talk about a couple opportunities I pointed out in the last video that I hope someone took. I did not take them, but ATER I mentioned as a bounce, especially as it got near our line here in the 934s, and we did end up getting what we asked for. We got within 30 cents of the line, which gave you a really solid opportunity, almost a $2 a share bounce up here. And if you're using the risk management strategy that I'm using, which is, I go in a listed trade, I use $5 risk, and then I would measure here. This is about 30 cents, not even. The low of this is 230. Let's call it 240 is when you got in, and this is 223. So you can get like 20 cent risk for $5. So 5 divided by 0.2, let's call it 20 cents. It's 25 shares. 25 shares at 940, you're making $5 for every 20 cents this goes up, right? This ended up being an 11, I'll call it 1170, right? What's 1170? I can't even think of how many multiples of 20 cents that is. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyway, you get the idea. This could easily turn into a $40, $50 winner if you just use that math, held for the bounce, had realistic expectations, and cut off. Like I probably would have been getting out here on this red candle, but anyway, completely missed that. Life gave us the same opportunity here, getting a little bit below the line, but if you take a buy as soon as the line holds up, or even if you want to wait until this crosses the moving average line and you kind of like put your lure here on a dip, you get real tight risk reward. You can get in the 830s, risking 827, so you have about 10 to 20 cents of risk, and then you get up to 920. So you get a 5-6R multiple on these. So this could have also been a $25, $30 winner. Same with ATER. So this is a strategy I'm definitely going to start looking to test out in my arsenal. I just kind of observed and I wanted to spend all my time looking at PSRU so that I could catch this, and LCLP so I could catch that. So it caused me to miss a little bit of those opportunities. I will also give a special shout out to INDP completely wrecking any shorts that tried to catch the front side of this. Absolutely amazing. Spiking, opening in the 1190s, now at the 1745s with a high of 1883. This thing is an absolute monster. Even from the 11s, this thing is like a 50-60% winner. So crazy. And I didn't like it because if you go and look at the year chart, has a history of being like a one and done spiker. My VWAP line kind of making that look messy, but it has a history of one and dones. Doesn't really ever want to move that much outside of it. And but here we are, continuing. Just broke to new highs, 1944. So crazy. Absolutely amazing. No trade for me. This is absolutely overextended. Guesswork, you never know. This could have a big knife candle. Let's go ahead and talk about what EJA, some warrant that's going up. What's EF? What's EJFA? The regular stock. That's weird. Okay. GSKY checking in. Oh, this is the merger. This isn't going to move at all. This had a nice, that's a pretty nice move. It's got news. Press release. Financial results. Revenue up 45%. Okay. So that's cool. Let's go ahead, take a look at the year chart in this corner. Ugh. This thing does nothing. This has just been straight. Okay, that's kind of boring. That's really kind of boring. All right, so we're not gonna bother looking at that. And this is all right. Anyway, that is it. That's all I got for the recap this morning. I will be back later with an afternoon market close recap. If there's any other opportunities that present themselves, I will cover them in that video. LCLP just really gave it all up, and this is kind of the reason why I play it safe. Anyway, this was I almost thought about taking the long here too. I was like, wait for it to confirm. You can get caught in these so easily, and it's so sad. But good luck out there. I hope you guys are having a good trading day so far. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments down below what other type of comment you want to see from this channel. I said comment, but I meant content, because I'm here. I'm trying to help. This is, me detailing my journey through trying to find profitability and consistency as a trader, and hopefully through sharing my process, anyone else that tries to go down this will maybe save themselves a lot of pain. Because Lord knows, it is real tough and definitely the hardest thing I've ever tried to tackle. But I tackle hard things all the time. So just got to give it time and stay disciplined and stay focused. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'm Aubrey Trades. I'll catch you in the next video.